Hi, my name is Sarah Kipp, and I'm the exhibition coordinator for the HUB-Robeson Galleries. We will be hosting Hostile Terrain 94 in the HUB-Robeson Center in the next academic year. This project is a global pop-up exhibit put on by the Undocumented Migration Project, a nonprofit organization based out of Los Angeles that is a long-term anthropological study of the complex social process of undocumented migration at the U.S.-Mexico border. Thank you so much for being a part of this very important project. We truly appreciate the support from each and every one of you. This project would not be possible without you. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. I would like to walk you through the process of filling out the toe tags, which represent someone who has lost their life while crossing the border in the Arizona desert. Over the next few months, these tags will be filled out by you and other members of your community, and then transported to a wall map depicting the Arizona desert at the border. On that map, these tags will be geolocated in the exact coordinates where each person's body was discovered. Once the wall is finished, there will be roughly 3,200 toe tags hanging from red map pins. The main point of this project is to get people to come together and participate in this activity of writing down the names of those who have died in the Arizona desert, and to bear witness to this humanitarian crisis at our border. We want to acknowledge these deaths and remember that these people are not just data on a piece of paper. We also want to shed light on the U.S. Border Patrol policy that has caused this. In 1994, the policy known as Prevention Through Deterrence went into effect, and it essentially heightened Border Patrol enforcement at more populated urban ports of entry. This subsequently forced migrants to cross over more dangerous natural environments, funneling them into lands that the Border Patrol themselves deemed as hostile terrain. The government believed that this would discourage people from attempting the journey, but instead it has turned the Arizona desert, as well as the wilderness of Texas, into a weapon that has taken the lives of thousands over the last 25 years. So as you begin to fill out the toe tags, I'm here to go over some initial instructions. Your packets contain an instructional guide to filling out the tags, several manila and orange toe tags, and spreadsheets that correspond to the headers on the tags. The white tags represent identified individuals. The white rows on your spreadsheets correspond to these tags. The orange tags represent unidentified individuals. The gray rows on your spreadsheets correspond to these tags. When filling out your tags, please remember to use black pen only. Copy the text exactly as it is written on the grid sheet. For example, if a name is written last name, first name, write it as such. If a name is written first name, last name, write it as such. If there's a lot of information for one box, please just write as small as you can to ensure that all of the text is entered. In some cases, it may seem like it won't all fit, but I promise if you write small enough, it will. If you make a mistake, don't cross it out, and don't worry. Please just discard your tag and grab a new one. We've provided extra tags in the event of mistakes. Once you've completed a tag, cross out the entire corresponding row on the spreadsheet. When you're finished with your tags, please do your best to stack them in the order that you have filled them out, then wrap them in a rubber band. Then place all finished spreadsheets and tags in the envelope. We will arrange for the return of your tags. We understand that the process of filling out these tags can be emotional, intense, and sometimes quite heavy. So we encourage you to please just take your time, find a pace that works for you, and only fill out as many tags that are comfortable for you. If you can't complete the entire packet, that's okay. Just remember to return all of the materials. Additionally, if you feel so inclined, you're more than welcome to write a note, message, or make a drawing on the back of the tags. This is totally optional, but it's just another way to become further engaged with this process, if that is of interest to you. Additionally, we want to express that although we cannot be together in person, in light of these challenging times, we are here to support you in any way that we can, through email, Zoom, or by phone. If you have any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out. On behalf of the HUB-Robeson Galleries, thank you so much for being a part of this project.